and affordable home decoration ideas to elevate your space. Welcome everyone to Guide on simple home decoration ideas that will transform your living space into a cozy and stylish heaven. Decoration. Your home does not have to be complicated and experienced with a few clever tricks and someone create touches to your breathe new life in your surroundings. Before dividing into a decoration, start by organization your space, remove any unnecessary items and find storage solutions for things you can want to keep but don't need on display. Cleaning out clutter will instantly make your home feel more serious spaces and inviting setting that stage for your decorative overs. If you like the ideas, first of all like the video and click the subscribe and press the icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Craft natural elements like plants, wood and stone can add warmth and texture to your home decor. Place potted plants surrounding your living space to bring a touch to your nature indoors and improve air quality. Wooden furniture, rattan accents, and stone decoration can also add visual interest and scene of a tranquility to any room. So if you like the ideas, first of all like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon on this video, share to your friends or family members. Your decoration your home does not have been experienced with a little creative imagination and some simple diet tricks. You can transform your space into a cozy and stylish that reflects your personality and bring you joy. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more ideas. Let's get decoration. Thanks for watching.